Okay guys, here is another shopping haul, and we are continuing, my family is continuing the chicken prices in February 2025. We got the split chicken chest with the bone in. Now look at this, guys. Regular price $16.54. We only paid $4.69. Look at the price here. $20.84. We only paid $5.91. Look at the price here. $22.93. We only paid $6.50. This is from Jewel Osco. Now, they are not paying me to talk about this chicken. The reason why I'm putting this video up is because if you guys are near a Jewel Osco and you don't mind the chicken chest with the bone in, this will save you guys a lot of money. For the price that you would normally pay for one package, you can get 3 prices. 99 cents a pound. That's what my husband said. 99 cents a pound. So look at this. We ended up getting 18. We got, oh my gosh. That's all they had in the cooler, guys. Otherwise, I mean, we would have got everything. My husband looked at me like I was crazy. I told him, I said, clean the shelf off. And he said, well, we're only getting 4. He gave me that look, and I don't know, something changed his mind. No. Wait, you said what?
The look you gave me.
Oh, he said the look I gave him after he said the reason why he said we're only getting 4 was because there was a lot of packages on the shelves. Like I'm supposed to care about that. I am the shelf clean off queen when it comes to prices that's going to save me in the future. Now, all this chicken will last us probably for the next 4, possibly 5 months, because the chicken that we bought in November of last year, we finished it a few days ago, November, December. It lasted us for 4 months, so yeah. So look at all this chicken, guys. Look at it. I mean, like I said, if you don't mind, please go by there. It'll save you a lot of money. And Jules is not sponsoring this video either. I mean, if there is any way that I can save you guys money by posting something that's really important, I don't mind doing it. You know, please check out this video. Okay, now guys, we bought a few other things while we were at the store. Believe it or not, we was only supposed to get hot dogs and hot dog buns, and maybe propane water and a Pellegrino. But we ended up getting ribs and everything. They was buy one get 2 free. And hold on, I'll show you guys. So this is the savings. $316. We saved 64% by shopping today. I'm glad we went. Okay, here guys, here is the ribs. Buy one. Wait, honey, it says buy one, get one free. That doesn't say buy one, get 2 free. Okay, guys, this is buy one, get 2 free. Now, I know that this sticker says buy one, get one free, but hold on. Let me show you the receipt. Here it is, guys. See, at the bottom, it says pork, back ribs. They charged us for the highest price one, which was $28.42. And the other two, the 2837 and the 2762, zero price. So this is buy one, get two free. Okay. Okay, guys, this video was only supposed to be about 3 minutes long, but my husband wanted me to make sure I mentioned the baby back ribs. But like I said, if you guys are near a Jewel, Osco, and you're looking to save money this week, I don't know how long the sale is going to be for. Oh, what's that, babe? Oh, okay, you're going to take a photo. My husband is taking a photo. I guess he's going to post it somewhere too. But like I said, if you guys are near a Jewel, Osco, and you're trying to save money, because this will save you money in the long run. You won't have to go shopping for chicken for at least 4 months. If your family size is smaller than mine, it'll last a little longer than that. You just put it in the freezer, and you take it out and unthaw it as you're getting ready to make a meal. So now I'm getting ready to end this video. Thanks a lot, guys, for stopping by and checking out this video. Check out the prices at Jewel's, check out the chicken prices, and check out the rib prices. Now, to save money on the ribs, what we did was we picked the prices that was under $30. That way we would come out paying the same amount of money when it's really at a decent price, less than $10 for a package. All right, guys. Hey, whether it's shopping or cooking, and until next time, happy eating.